Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Harbor Freight. We're going to be looking at the tool deals this week. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, we got $25 instantly when you buy a tool, a battery, and a charger. So you get $25 off on Hercules brand, which is their upper grade brand. Or according to them, their professional level. It is pretty good. You got this fan for $39.99. I think it's a really good deal, especially if it's a dual powered fan. You can with an extension cord or a battery. So if you have the batteries, even better. You got this. I believe it's a 1/4 inch impact wrench, $39, and then you got this impact or this drill driver for $49. This is the 3/8 impact for $49.99, and then you got the impact drill, $39.99. So you guys see there, that's the 12-volt impact drill. So some of these are 12 volts, some of these are 18 volts. Just keep that in mind. You got the 12 volt and the 20 volt battery there. $24.99 for the. Yeah, we didn't see for a few weeks, actually for a few months, we didn't see the battery. So they're here now. So you get $20 off with the power. So you buy the battery, the tool, and the charger, you get $20 off. That is a new fast charger that they have, $29.99. And that's the Bauer fans. Looks really nice. Looks just like the Hercules, but this is red. And then you got the inflator back there. I do have that inflator. They got this 295 Lumen Flashlight for $29.99. So you guys see there. And then they got the screwdriver, $17.99. And they got the other screwdriver for $9.99. This is the cheapest one they have, the Drill Master. So if you got, and then they got this, the Warrior Cutoff tool. If you guys seen my videos, you guys asked me questions about this tool. And then yeah, they carry hole saws now. That's something different that I didn't know they had. You know, like the other, like Home Depot basically. So they got different sizes here. $18.99 for a 4-inch. You got a 4 1/4 there. You got a 5-inch. You got a 6-inch there for $35.99. So definitely check it out. If you need to make a couple holes and you don't want to spend so much money, then you can come to Harbor Freight and pick some of these hole dozers or hole saws. And then you got the new Hercules table saw. This is the upgraded version. I believe that's the bracket pinion, $349. That's a really nice looking table saw. Definitely check it out if you need it, in the need of one. And they got this, the 1/2 inch heavy duty low speed spade handle mixer, $49. You got a sander for $54.99. This is 10% more power. $34.99 for the 7-up 3x21 belt sander. That's a belt sander there from Warrior. Then we got another belt sander here from Bauer. It is a corded sander. Then they got this on sale, the Ultra Finish Polish from McGuire's. They got on sale for $24.99. It's a 32-ounce bottle, mirror glaze. And they got the buy now and save more section here at the end cap. You got the HBOP Gravity spray gun, Central Pneumatic, $19.99. Was $24.99. And then they got this weed whacker if you're on the Atlas line, $89.99. I really like the Atlas line. They do have pretty good quality. Then they have this. This is a newer tool, the bolt cutter, $7.99. I really like the handles, very detailed. The Doyle is a great brand. Definitely check it out on pliers. They're really good. So it just catch my attention. This is one of the newer tools that they had. Then they had the sander there, and then they had this the fan. It's a metal fan, Central Pneumatic Machinery, $49.99. And then they got this starter, Syntec, $34.99. Battery charger and starter. Got a 17-inch tote from Hercules, $27.99 to 12-inch. So it's not a bad tote. It does have a lot of pockets. So you guys see there, a lot of pockets there, a lot of storage. And they got this light for $29.99. It's a 1200 lumen. I do have this light, works really good. The only thing, the battery is not the best. So battery won't last a long time, but it will last. You know, it's fairly decent for whatever it is. So $4.99 for the 14-ounce brake parts, the brake clean. Yeah, they got a whole bunch of shampoos and stuff like that, so definitely check it out. $5.99 for the 64-ounce deep crystal car wash. Yeah, some of the stuff I get it from here because sometimes they'll have that 20% off coupon. Then I got this drying towel. This is my favorite drying towel here, premium. $4.99, so it's on sale. Definitely check it out. $29.99 for the disc brake pads caliper service kit, 11 piece. That's it right there. Really nice, great brand. So if you do your own brakes. And then this is the as it is table. Usually you get some discounts. It depends store by store. Your manager, if you got a good relationship with your manager, they might lower the price. So $77.99 on this chainsaw. And they got this blower for $59.99. Like I said, you can talk to your manager. Maybe they'll lower it for you. $67.49 for the 1000 watt inverter. And they got this nailer, $45.49. And they got this coil roofing nailer, $132. And then they got this pole saw for $69.99 from Atlas. It's a great brand. Atlas is a great brand. And then they got this. I used to have this $89.99 for the 1/2 inch impact wrench from Bauer. It's a great impact wrench for the DIY. And then they had this. This is a $149 for this motor. It's industrial, agriculture, 1 horsepower. $149 was $169. Then they got this. This deal, if you buy 3 or more, you save 20%. So $24.99 each. That's not a bad deal. It's 5,000 lumens shop light. And then they got this, the mixer for $49.99. That's the one that we missed at the beginning of the video. And they got this 4.5 horsepower 9-gallon vac, $59.99. That's the fan that we saw earlier. And they got this reel, 16 gauge, $34.99. It's an extension cord. And then they got this, the Predator pump, transfer pump, semi-trash I believe, or full trash, $6.99. It has the Predator engine. Then they got this, the multi-purpose top clips, $3.49. I guess that's it. I never seen these before, so I just showed them because I saw them at the store. And they had this tarp, $49.99 for 19 feet by 29 feet for, as you guys see there, it's a 9mm, so it's a pretty thick, heavy duty. Then they had this light catch my attention. This is one of the newer lights that they had. I know some of you already commented about this light. You know, you guys like them. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I believe it is rechargeable. It says rechargeable battery. It says this right there. So definitely check it out. This is the new brand that they have, Nigeria or Nigeria. And then they have this one, the lightweight, kink-free woven hose, $29.99. So definitely check it out, guys. A lot of deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers a platform by subscribing and likes. So help out the channel by doing so, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.